One small choice can completely change how your $2,000 foldable feels every single day. Before deciding between the best Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra silicone versus woven versus clear cases, you'll want to see which material quietly delivers the grip, durability, and comfort that actually matches your lifestyle. Stick around, then explore the links below to compare every featured case before making your decision. Let's explore clear cases that keep your phone stylishly visible. The first one is Ringke Fusion Clear. Your phone already has a premium design, so hiding it behind thick materials is not always the smartest choice. Ringke Fusion Clear keeps the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra fully visible while adding practical everyday protection that preserves its sleek appearance. Its hybrid polycarbonate and TPU construction helps absorb impacts from routine drops, while the connected two-piece design creates a more secure fit during constant folding and unfolding. Wireless charging remains available without removing the case, making daily charging feel simpler than with designs that require extra effort. A useful buying tip is that open hinge cases often feel lighter in your hand because they avoid covering every moving part, which many users appreciate during extended use. One honest compromise is that the exposed hinge receives less direct coverage than fully enclosed rugged designs. With every material category now explored, you can confidently choose the finish that truly matches your lifestyle and priorities. The second one is FNTCASE Magsafe Protective. Sometimes, the feature that saves your phone is the one working quietly behind every charge and every fold. FNTCASE Magsafe Protective blends strong magnetic performance with dependable protection for your Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, while keeping its premium design on display through a crystal-clear finish. Its powerful N52 magnets maintain secure alignment with wireless chargers and magnetic accessories, reducing frustrating disconnects during daily use. Reinforced hinge protection, an integrated screen protector, and air-cushioned corners work together to defend the areas foldable phones rely on most. A useful buying tip is that stronger magnetic alignment can generate more consistent wireless charging because the charging coils stay properly positioned throughout the session. One realistic compromise is that careful installation is important for the screen protector to fit perfectly and avoid edge lifting. Another material category still offers a completely different experience, making the final comparison especially worthwhile before choosing your favorite. Now, let's talk about silicone cases. The first one is TORRAS Q3 VegSkin. Luxury is not always about appearance, because the way a case feels in your hand can change how often you actually enjoy using your phone. TORRAS Q3 VegSkin brings a premium silicone leather finish to the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, while pairing it with thoughtful features that make everyday tasks feel smoother. The soft textured surface resists stains and fingerprints, so your phone keeps its refined look through busy commutes and long workdays. Its 360-degree rotating magnetic stand makes finding a comfortable viewing angle effortless, whether you are joining meetings, streaming, or following recipes. Strong N56 magnets also keep wireless charging and magnetic accessories securely aligned. One useful buying tip is that leather-textured finishes often provide a steadier grip than glossy clear cases, without attracting lint like traditional silicone. The trade-off is the premium material hides your phone's original color, but the everyday experience easily justifies that design choice. The second one is TORRAS Magnetic Slim. Sometimes the smallest design changes make the biggest difference once your phone spends every day in your pocket. TORRAS Magnetic Slim focuses on keeping the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra feeling remarkably close to its original form, while adding practical protection that never feels excessive. Its ultra-thin construction and adhesive-free hinge design let the fold open naturally, while reinforced bumpers and raised bezels quietly defend against scratches and accidental drops. Powerful N56SH magnets create a noticeably firmer connection with chargers, car mounts, and magnetic wallets, helping accessories stay aligned instead of slipping during daily use. A useful buying tip is that slimmer cases often generate less pocket friction than heavily textured alternatives, making one-handed access quicker throughout busy days. One realistic compromise is that this minimalist approach prioritizes portability over the heavier impact absorption offered by rugged designs. The next material choice approaches everyday protection from an entirely different perspective altogether. Next up, let's uncover the woven cases that redefine premium protection. First one is BENKS ArmorGrid Air. The lightest feeling case is not always the least protective because advanced materials can quietly change that equation. BENKS ArmorGrid Air wraps the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra in genuine Kevlar while keeping the phone remarkably slim, creating a balance that feels noticeably different during long days of carrying and commuting. Its complete protection system includes a matching front frame, tempered glass screen protector, hinge coverage, and reinforced camera surround, giving every major impact point dedicated attention without excessive weight. Strong built-in magnets also keep wireless charging and magnetic accessories securely attached, making everyday routines feel more seamless. A useful buying tip is that woven Kevlar textures usually offer a steadier grip than smooth plastic, while resisting scratches from keys and pockets. The trade-off is the premium woven finish emphasizes understated style instead of showing your phone's original color. This completes the material comparison before we reveal the standout winners. The second one is Pitaka Aramid Black. Weight matters less than how naturally your foldable disappears into daily life. Pitaka Aramid Black embraces the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra with an ultra-thin Aramid fiber shell that keeps its original profile while adding practical everyday protection. Aerospace-grade fibers resist scratches, maintain grip, and avoid fingerprints, so your phone still feels refined after constant use. Strong embedded magnets keep wireless charging and compatible magnetic accessories securely aligned, reducing small interruptions throughout busy days. One useful buying tip is that Aramid fiber often provides better long-term surface durability than painted finishes, helping the case look cleaner over time. The trade-off is that this minimalist design protects everyday wear more than severe impacts, making it ideal for careful users. Another material category explores protection through a completely different philosophy, and that contrast becomes clear in the next recommendation before you settle on the finish that truly fits you. If you're looking for the most versatile, all-around choice, TORRAS Magnetic Slim earns that title by combining an ultra-slim profile, dependable protection, premium materials, and exceptionally strong magnetic performance without changing how the fold feels in your hand. If your priority is premium craftsmanship and lightweight durability, BENKS ArmorGrid Air stands out with its genuine Kevlar construction and complete protection system. Meanwhile, Pitaka Aramid Black is ideal for minimalists. FNTCASE Magsafe Protective suits buyers wanting maximum magnetic strength and rugged defense. And TORRAS Q3 VegSkin is perfect if luxury texture and a versatile rotating stand matter most. You'll find links to every case below to compare features and pricing. Share which material fits your style best, and keep exploring with us for buyer guides that help you choose smarter every time.